Hello, my friends. Today is hot dog day or hamburger day. No, it's really ketchup day. No mustard here, trust me. Ketchup day. Why do I call it ketchup day? It's not really the red stuff you put on your hot dog. Ketchup day means at the Stamps of Life, the 25th of every month, we bring to our website items that maybe we had leftovers of from a kit, or maybe I took it on HSN years ago, or maybe years ago I released it with Sizzix. Anything like that, this is a chance for you to get these items. Now, we call it Ketchup Day because we don't want to confuse anyone thinking, oh, this is brand new, because you might have it, but you might not. And you don't want to miss out on these items now being on the website. For example, I bet this set is brand new to you because this is an oldie but a goodie. And let me just tell you, it's one of my favorites. It is called Trendy Twig, and it has these 4 gorgeous flourishes. They are stunningly beautiful, fantastic, but guess what, you guys? Even better, they have dies as well. The inside dies and the shadow dies, so you get to do both, and it makes a fantastic set. Make sure you check out the website for all the ideas. Whoa! Then in one of our kits a year plus ago, we had these fun clouds and these cute little froggies. Well, Ken found a few left over in the warehouse, stamps and the dies that match. Now, these clouds are not your ordinary clouds because they are called pin dot clouds, meaning they have dots all the way around the edges to add that extra texture and that extra fun. So if you missed out on that, now is your chance to get those. So fun. 2 more things. Those of you that are in love with the otters as much as I am, now is your chance. Now is your chance to get the paper pad. If you do not see this on the website, that means it's gone. This is limited edition. Paper pads, once they're gone, we do not reprint. And let me just tell you, if you love the otters as much as I do, you are gonna want this set. Has the cute shells in the background, has the cute little otters. Look how cute. Has the confetti, has the shells. You are gonna love this set. So make sure you get extra paper pads because you're gonna definitely want them. Fun water scene, I love it. Last but not least, finally, I get to bring to you our Flamingo ink set. So this is the Flamingo. You're going to get the big pad, you're going to get the refill, and we now include the mini. So you're getting all 3. You don't have to wait for the minis anymore. We used to do that where we just release these 2 items, and then you'd have to wait like months and months and months to get the cute little mini. Well, we've changed it up. Now you get all 3 in the set. Now available on the website. Back in the day, we had a kit, the Flamingo kit. Go figure, name. We had the Flamingo kit. Now we finally have released the inks. So there you go, my friends. Ketchup Day. Make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. You don't want to miss out on these items, especially the ones that we are not going to keep in stock forever. Just saying. My friends, thank you so much. Club members, you know the deal. You know you're going to get 15 to 20% off all of these items, even if they're on flash sale. We have our everyday low price. Then the first 24 hours are on the website. We put them on flash sale. Most items, not all items. Then you get the club discount on top of that. So you are getting extra discounts, which makes life even better, right? My friends, thank you so much. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.